What's up, guys? It's Bree and I'm back with another video. How y'all doing? So I'm goofy AF and I forgot to record an intro for this video. I just kind of jumped right into it. I don't know what I was doing, but either way, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a college move-in vlog. My little brother just started at Kentucky State University and this is his freshman year. I'm so excited for him, and we got his dorm room looking super nice. So this is literally just going to be the whole process of us moving him in. Enjoy the video, and I hope that you guys take some inspiration from his room, because I think that we did pretty good for him to be a boy. Like, it looks manly but still like decorative, you know. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye. Don't it raise up anyways though?
You're gonna raise it that way.
These showers don't work that well.
So it's just them two sharing the shower?
Yes.
Oh, that's not bad. But I need them to do something with that up there. That's a little nerve-wracking. Look. Look.
The product, they gave them their own private.
Yeah, you got a private.
Because of their nut allergy.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, how you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, that means you literally just sharing it
We're
with
probably
him.
gonna put like a little shower mat like off to the side.
Yeah. Do you have one?
Oh, and this is one for you,
Yeah.
you and his toilet paper.
Oh yeah, big bag.
Yes.
How you
I
feeling?
put good. I'm feeling good.
That's
I
good.
put good, right? For the condition.
Yeah, just as, but when you get to that blind over there, make sure you put it that needs to be fixed. Well, it's coming together.
Right?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You should put your chair like right here. This would be nice. You just put your TV on top of this and it'll be elevated. Because I mean, there's no other way you can really move this around. I mean, how do you do this? You're gonna have to push this. Are you gonna have to pull your desk out and push that back? Because otherwise, aren't you like gonna not be able to use your desk? This is what it's looking like so far. That's the rest of his stuff in the hallway.
It's the process.
You just got your shoes over here. Yeah, they still over here.
My room and stuff. My room.
Bathroom. Before we leave, this gonna all be good. Look at how good this tapestry looks, yo. Like, well, we're not done. The bed isn't made, but this tapestry, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. We still got a long way to go though. How this is gonna work out. Hi. Hey.
Housekeeping.
You're gonna be sick. You're gonna be so clean.
I left a lot of them. It's coming together. I think his stuff is gonna fit, honestly.
I'm loving your hair.
Thank you, ma'am. I don't usually wear it down.
It's longer, way longer ride.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a kiss. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got better than 100.
This final product. She's so beautiful. Thank you.
I didn't know you were recording.
Look at these two beautiful women. Oh my gosh.
I look a mess, but hey.
You still cute.
I get to rearrange it. You better come on.
I'm dead.
I'm trying to let her so we can talk about it. I might mess around and do me and be like this when I got here.
Just be like.
For real. I might have to go on and do it.
I ain't even finished yet.
This is like
This is so destiny.
This really is.
This is so destiny.
This is cute. Oh, I like these balls. This is so nice. This is nice.
Y'all have to share a bathroom with guys.
It's at the end of the hall.
You in a suite, right? How many roommates you gotta share the thingy with?
3 other people.
That's not bad.
But I don't think my other suite mate has a suite mate, so just 2 other people.
Bye.
You hear what I told him, B?
Heck yeah, he know the
He know how to
code.
get. He know the code.
See you later.
Your mom don't cry.
I hope she don't. She said she wasn't. We love you.
Bye.
Well, literally.
One more time.
Bye bye. I love you.
I'm gonna see y'all.
Yeah, definitely. You're only freaking 2 hours away.
Less than that.
Yeah, less than that, honestly. Dang, you look good in this light. You're so handsome.
Thank you.
Love you.
They wrong, new school.
Hurry up and get your degree so you can make us money.
Oh yeah. What she saying? We all about to be.
Come take care of me. I don't want to work anymore. I'm sick of it.
Hey Brianna, I'm gonna need you
To what?
to help me. Look, the moving process was the worst part. I swear. I don't
Right.
wish that on anybody.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye, you guys. Hey, this is not the last one I'm gonna be in, so remember my face. Feature when I make my own YouTube channel.
Go ahead and end it off. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Forever in my mind, only you. The pieces in my